Good morning, students of class 9. Previous class exercise 6.2 we have completed. Today we are starting 6.3. Before that, some informations I am giving. Just see the book. Page number 105. Theorem 6.7. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That proof you have to do. It is in your syllabus. Then theorem 6.8, that theorem proof is not given in your syllabus, only you will read the statement. Already you have done in class 7. If a side of a triangle is produced, then exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So if I will draw the figure, if we will take one triangle ABC and BC side I have produced, so this will form, this is exterior angle for the triangle ABC. So exterior angle equal to sum of the opposite to interior angle. Similarly, any for another triangle, if we will extend this side, so this will be the exterior angle. Exterior angle equal to sum of the opposite to interior angle. This angle equal to sum of these two angles. Now we are starting exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3, question number 1. The figure I have, 6.39, that figure I have drawn, and in the question it is given that sides QP and RQ are produced. QP is produced on that side and RQ is produced on this side, S and T. And angle SPR, that means this angle is given 135 degree. PQT, this angle is given 110 degree. You have to find PRQ, that I have given question mark. So for finding this angle, what we have to do, this is the exterior angle for this triangle. So exterior angle equal to sum of the opposite to interior angle. That means this angle will be needed. So first we have find this angle. How we will get this angle? Sum of these two angles is 180 degree by linear pair. So it is written angle TQP plus angle PQR equal to 180 degree by linear pair. So TQP is 110 plus PQR equal to 180 degree. So angle PQR is coming 70 degree. So that angle we have got 70 degree written. Now exterior angle equal to sum of the opposite to interior angle. So we can write PQR plus PRQ equal to SPR. For triangle PQR, exterior angle, that is angle, is equal to sum of the opposite to interior angles. PQR, the value we have got 70 degree. So 70 we have put it. Angle PRQ we have to find equal to 135 using 1, because 70 degree we have put it, that's why using 1. So PRQ equal to 135 minus 70, so it's coming 65 degree. That will be the answer. Now we are going in question number 2. Question number 2 is this figure. Angle X is given 62 degree. Angle XYZ, this total angle is 54 degree. If YO and ZO are the bisectors of the angles XYZ and XZY, then you have to find OZY, that means this you have to find, and YOZ, that angle you have to find. So one thing you have to understand, if YO is the bisector of these angles, that means YO divide this angle into two equal parts. If total angle is 54, so that means this is 27 and this is also 27. And this total angle is not given, but YZ is the bisector, that means these two angles are equal. So two answers we have to find. How we will find? First, we have written angle XYZ equal to 54 degrees, since YO is the bisector of angle XYZ. So angle XYO and OYZ equal to 54 by 2, that is 27 degree, make it 1. And since OZ is the bisector of XZY, so we can write OZY equal to XZO, make it 2. And now what we have done, we have taken the triangle XYZ. First we have find the value of Z. X is given, Y is given, so Z we can find. angle xyz plus angle yxz plus angle xzy equal to 180 degree, because sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. XYZ we have put it 54, YXZ 62 and XZY we don't know, equal to 180 degree. So it's coming XZY equal to 64. That means this total angle is 64. So this portion 32, this portion also 32. So using 2, OZY equal to XZO equal to 64 by 2, that is coming 32 degree. So OZY equal to 32 degree. That you have to find. This is the one answer, first answer. Make it 3. So this angle we have find 32 degree and this angle is 27 degree. So if we will take this triangle OYZ, these two angles are given. So this angle easily we can find by triangle property. So in triangle OYZ, angle OYZ plus angle YOZ plus angle OZY equal to 180 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. OYZ by 3 OYZ we have find 27 degree. Here using 1, OYZ 27 degree. So in place of OYZ to 27 we have put it. YOZ we have to find, and OZY by 3 we have find OZY 32. So we have put it here 32 using 1 and 3. So YOZ it's coming 121 degree. So that will be the another answer. Okay, 2 left.